Okay, I've just parked the car. Already got the canoe loaded up, or unloaded, and loaded up with gear, ready to launch. So before we launch, I'm going to explain what I'm doing today. A fellow YouTuber by the name of Fishing with PH offered a challenge to other YouTube channels to fish with this 1950s vintage fishing reel. He had done a couple videos on it and it looked pretty cool, so I said, yeah man, send it to me. So he just sent it to me in the mail a couple days ago. Decided to take it out today and fish with it. It's a beautiful reel. It's the 1950s Luxor, and still in pretty good shape considering it's about 70 years old. Just a cool design. So we're going to take this bad boy out today and fish with it. I put it on my Skeet Reese shaky head Senko 7-foot. I think this is a medium light fast action tip rod. So this is the only rod and reel we brought today. I'm going to start off with a soft stick bait. I think this is a Strike King, sweet tater pie color, soft plastic. So let's get on the water and see what happens. Before we launch, we got to throw this in the water. We're sitting right here. Something. Oh yeah. Oh, I got the drag set way too loose. We got something. Holy cow, that was quick, huh? There we go. A little bass. Man, why does he feel so big? Did I snag him? There we go. First fish. Man, bass are here are so dark. Little guy. What a big mouth. There he goes. This thing casts a country mile. There we go. That's 2 fish. It's gonna be one of those days. Lots of bass. Lots of small bass. That's okay. Come here, buddy. There we go. Okay, there we go. Bass number 2. Let's let him go. There he goes. Figured it out. One more cast. And then I'll get in the canoe. Sweet tater pie. Oh yeah, baby. Right there. This reel's handling them all well. I had to tighten up the drag on that first one. This is a decent sized guy right here. Swing him into the boat. Swing him into the boat. The bass here are so dark. A lot of pine trees and stuff. The water's got that dark tint to it. I just barely had them hooked. Look how dark they are though. Just dark. Alright, buddy. You back in. There he goes. Alright, let's load it up. Let's get on the water. See if we can't get some bigger bass. There we go, baby. Oh, yeah. Underway. What a gorgeous morning. Just beautiful out. I'm gonna try this corner over here just because I caught a big in there. I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 years ago. It's funny how you remember where you caught some big fish. So maybe there's a big one sitting in there again. Could be the same one. He was probably a 18-incher or so. Maybe he's still alive, and he's a 20-incher now. Because of all the pine trees, this water has a very like piney stain to it, I guess you could say. A dark stain from all the pine needles. So the bass, in turn, are a lot darker in color. Oh, there we go. Man, that was like a topwater bite. Did you see that? It hit the topwater bite on there. I didn't bring my net. I didn't bring a net today. So we'll be lipping them all. Okay, there we go. Another bass, small guy. All right. Let's go. Let's do it. Do it. Durka Durka. One of the things I forgot to mention on this reel fishing challenge is it's only loaded with 6 pound. Which shouldn't be a problem for me. I'm not fishing really heavy cover today. And the fish are pretty small, but like I said, there are some big ones in here, but that's what drag is for. So I'm not too worried about it. The heavy line is, or the light line is a real issue when you're fishing. Not so much the fish, but when you're fishing that really thick cover, you know, stumps, weeds, grass, all that stuff. The fish get buried in it, and you can't get them out unless you've got heavy line and a stiff rod. All right. We just put on this cream frisky frog. It's on a, I think that's a 1/32 ounce orange mule jig. So I'm gonna give this a shot. Here's some frogs ribbited, so see what this does. Might get some bass and panfish with this combo. Oh, shoot, not there. I didn't want you to go there, dude. There we go. Got one. Oh, yeah. Got one on the cream frisky frog. It's bigger than the last couple, actually. Come here, come here, come here, come here. There we go. I gotta get some. There we go. Look at that. The old jig. Green frisky frog. Got ourselves a bass. Look at the size of these mouths and compared to the rest of the body. I just tied on a Z-Man TRD onto a 1/16 ounce mule jig. Gonna see what we can do with this bad boy. Gotta love the Ned rig, baby. Ned rig style. That was cool. There we go, got one. Oh, this might be the big one of the day so far, maybe. Got the TRD. Yeah, maybe not. It felt good when he first hit it. Oh, definitely not the big one. Okay, I just tied on this little crappie tube. See if we can't get some panfish with it. That's all I care about. I just want to get some fish now. Bass bite is slowed down a A little dinky bass that I had going. I've stopped biting for some reason. I don't know why. And this little pink tube will get some action. Probably over here, man. There we go. We got something hitting it. There we go. We got a little panfish guy on. Come here, buddy. There we go. Got him on the crappie tube. A little pumpkin seed. There we go. A little sunny. Okay, this reel with the 6-pound line is throwing pretty much everything pretty well. In this little crappie tube, it's throwing pretty far. This one there again. Oh, right into there. Oh, there we go. Got one. That's where they are. Found the panfish at least. Pretty little guys. Oh, got him in the bottom lip. There we go. Okay, buddy. There we go. There's my perfect first panfish drop in the boat. Never fails. Never fails. I drop at least one. There he goes. Okay. Okay, we're gonna head back to the dam launch area. Try to get 1 or 2 more fish, and then we're gonna call it. It's been a productive morning. Some dink bass and a couple panfish. So last cast. The wind's blowing me back to the launch, so that's a sign from the fishing gods. It's time to call it. And we're gonna finish right there with a fish. Looks like a bass. It is. Just barely got him hooked. Get him in the boat. There we go. Get back there. Just barely hooked him. Look at that. Skinned him right on the corner. Okay. Last fish of the day. We're going to call it. As always, take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.